that your birthday?
Whose birthday is it?
Happy.
Happy. Happy. Happy.
Happy 5th birthday, Xiaomi. Happy birthday, Xiaomi, and wish you all the best. Congratulations for all your achievements for the past 4 years. Now that you're ranked as the 3rd largest smartphone vendor in the world, it's not impossible for you to become the first. I wish you all the best again, and Xiaomi, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Long live Xiaomi.